Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will start our new topic, that is physical features of Pakistan. And I will tell you with the help of slide that what are physical features of Pakistan and what does it mean. Physical mean how does Pakistan look like in physique, just like a person. We ask इसकी height कितनी है, इसकी physique कैसी है, etc etc. Same is the case with the physique of Pakistan. When we talk about physique of Pakistan, it is called physical features of Pakistan. Pakistan is having plenty of features in it. It's a physical map of Pakistan. Let me tell you about the things which are found in Pakistan and about the physique of Pakistan. Here, physical features of Pakistan are northeastern mountains or northern mountains, then northwestern mountains, and then Indus Plain, plateaus, and desert. In this topic today, we will confine ourselves to mountains only. We will talk about mountains only. The reason behind this, it's your question 6 also, and Pakistan is divided into 3 major parts with respect to physical features, that is mountain ranges, plateaus, plains. Now details are there and we will discuss details. First of all, mountain range. Bete, you can see map here. Can you see the map? When we talk about northern mountains, let us divide Pakistan into 4 directions, 4 cardinal directions, and these are, let us draw them. First of all, what are cardinal directions? We have discussed in previous topic in detail that north, south, east and west. We will not go in detail. The reason behind this we have previously discussed it. Then if we talk about Pakistan, and the physical features of Pakistan, where is north and where is south? Here is north, here is south. So now we are talking about the northern part of Pakistan. To whom we are talking about and what we are talking about? We are talking about northern areas of Pakistan or northern mountain ranges of Pakistan. These mountain ranges are located in the north of Pakistan. You can see a lot of mountain ranges here. Greater Himalayas are there, Karakoram range is there, and then in northwestern part we are having Hindu Kush range. Right? Now I will discuss in detail कैसे कैसे इन्होंने पूरा ये लाइक किया हुआ है, एंड वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द हिमालयाज, काराकोरम एंड देन हिंदू कुश रेंज इन डिटेल. लेट अस ड्रॉ देम ऑन a board and then we will discuss. Okay, when we move and when we talk about Asian mountain ranges, the greatest Asian mountain ranges are called Himalaya range, और उर्दू में हम इसको हिमालय भी बोलते हैं. Now Himalaya range is found in Pakistan and the ending tip is there in Pakistan. Mean Himalaya range ends in Pakistan. Where does it end? It ends in Pakistan. The ending tips are there in Pakistan. Then if we move further, I have colored it and I have shaded it. If we move towards north, further north, the area and the mountain ranges which we find here are called Karakoram. Have you got my point? The range which is found in east to north is Himalaya range. Then in further north we are having Karakoram range, and then we are having from north to west we are having Hindu Kush range. 3 main mountain ranges are there. These are having the highest peaks of the world. You can see the map here. The mountain range, we can see here, that is Himalaya or Himalaya. Here it is written Koi Himalaya. It is written in Urdu. Otherwise it is called Himalayas. Then Koi Karakoram or Karakoram range. In Urdu it is called Kohe Karakoram. In English it is called Karakoram range. There is no end in between Himalaya and Karakoram, but a river is there which is called that. A river is there which is called the turning or the starting point of Karakoram, and then next range is Hindu Kush range. We will discuss it in detail. In Himalayas we are having 3 parts, or we are having 3 ranges. How many ranges? 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. Now, bete, let us discuss the three mountain ranges of Himalaya. It's the northern mountain range of Pakistan. First of all, Sub-Himalaya range. Sub-Himalaya range is found in east, north or northeastern part of Pakistan. These are also called Shivalik range. Have you got my point? If you come to the north of Pakistan, the area or the mountains which are having less height are called sub-Himalayas. Only of Himalayas, not of Karakoram and Hindu Kush. I am talking about Himalayas. Himalayas is divided into three parts. The first low part is called sub-Himalaya range or Shivalik range. What does it call? We call it sub-Himalaya or Shivalik range. Pabbi Hills are found here. Hazara and Murray Hills are found in this area. So we have discussed Sub-Himalaya range. Sub-Himalaya. Second is Lesser Himalaya range. The Lesser Himalayan range lies north of the Sub-Himalaya range. Means if we move further towards north, अगर हम यहाँ खड़े हैं और हम नॉर्थ की तरफ जा रहे हैं तो कौन सी माउंटेन रेंज आएगी? Sub-Himalayan रेंज और शिवालक रेंज. ठीक है, बात समझ आइए. लेसर हिमालय रेंज इज फाउंड इन द नॉर्थ ऑफ सब हिमालय रेंज और शिवालक रेंज. शिवालक रेंज में कौन कौन सी रेंजेस आती हैं? मैंने आपको बोला है पब्बी हिल्स एंड हजारा एंड मरी हिल्स. नाउ लेसर हिमालय रेंज, पीर पंजाल. द हाईएस्ट माउंटेन रेंज ऑफ लेसर हिमालय रेंज इज पीर पंजाल. विच वन? पीर पंजाल. Then Murray, Ayubia, Nathia Gully, these are the famous resort places of this range. Means we find these ranges here. Here we find Hazara Hills, Murray Hills, the lower hills. Here we find Murray, Pir Panjal range and Ayubia, Nathia Gully and the resort places here. Now, if we move further towards north, we find Greater Himalaya. Which range? Greater Himalaya, and it is one of the highest mountain range in the world. सबसे बड़ी है ये. क्यों? It is covered with snow throughout the year. कभी बर्फ़ नहीं पिघली यहाँ पे. और the beautiful valley of Kashmir, कश्मीर भी यहीं पे है हमारे पास. और between the पीर पंजाल range means यहाँ पे जो पीर पंजाल range है और ग्रेटर हिमालय के मिड में जो है कश्मीर वैली भी है. और the glaciers are found in this region which melt टू फॉर्म रिवर्स. रिवर फॉर्म करते हैं, यानी यहाँ पे जो ग्लेशियर्स हैं यहीं से रिवर्स निकलते हैं और यहीं से पूरा जो जो ओरिजिनेट करता है ना पाकिस्तान का पूरा रिवर सिस्टम कश्मीर से. इसी वजह से तो कश्मीर हम छोड़ नहीं सकते कि हमारे रिवर वहाँ से ओरिजिनेट करते हैं. सेकेंडली, द हाईएस्ट माउंटेन रेंज ऑफ दिस हाईएस्ट माउंटेन पीक ऑफ दिस रेंज इज नांगा पर्वत. विच माउंटेन पीक? नांगा पर्वत. आपको पता है, एक बड़ी मज़े की बात भी बता दूं कि हिमालय रेंज जो है दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी रेंज है और इसके अंदर जो पाकिस्तान दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी जो चोटी है वो भी है, डैट इज़ माउंट एवरेस्ट. प्रीवियसली उसकी पीक टूट गई थी लेकिन स्टिल वो अभी भी, उस वक्त कहा जाता था कि शायद K2 बड़ी होगी है, लेकिन अभी भी माउंट एवरेस्ट जो सबसे बड़ी है वो यहाँ पे नहीं है, पाकिस्तान में, एशिया में है. लेकिन पाकिस्तान में जो इसकी एंडिंग टिप है उसमें सबसे बड़ी जो पीक है डैट इज़ नांगा पर्वत. सो लेट अस डिस्कस इन अ नटशेल. सब हिमालय रेंज, शिवालक रेंज, इसकी हाइट कितनी है? 600 to 1200 मीटर. लेसर हिमालय रेंज, पीर पंजाल रेंज साउथ ऑफ ग्रेट हिमालय. देन ग्रेटर हिमालय जो अभी मैंने आपको बताया. सबसे पहले सब हिमालय की रेंज कितनी है? जो हमारे पास सब हिमालयज है उसकी रेंज कितनी है हमारे पास? 600 to 1200 मीटर. देन हमारे पास लेसर हिमालय है, इसके अंदर कौन कौन से एरियाज आते हैं हमारे पास? पीर पंजाल रेंज जो इसके अंदर हमारे पास मरी हजारा की हिल्स हैं. देन हमारे पास नेक्स्ट इज इनर हिमालय. ग्रेटर पार्ट ऑफ द रेंज लाइज इन इंडिया, मतलब बाकी इंडिया में है. हमारे पास जो पार्ट है वेयर then when three ranges end or the part of Himalaya end, here Karakoram starts. Which range starts? Karakoram starts. Then towards further north means three parts of Himalaya range: lesser, then sub, lesser and greater Himalaya. When we move towards further north, here next mountain range is there, that is Karakoram. Which range is there? Karakoram. And the highest peak of Pakistan, that is K2, is also found here. The actual name of K2 is Mount Godwin Austen. What is the name of K2? Mount Godwin Austen. The importance of this range is that this range or we share with the help of this range, or Karakoram range is along with the borders of China. Means in the north we are having China, and we have discussed in previous chapter with the help of map that where is China, or where China is located. It is in the north of Himalayas. The second highest peak in the world is located in this range. First, Mount Everest is found in Himalaya. That is not in Pakistan. In Pakistan, the highest peak is Nanga Parbat, and here the highest peak of this range is, or the Karakoram, is K2. याद रखिएगा, K for K2, K for Karakoram. So K2 is found in Karakoram, and the height of this mountain range is 8,011 meters, right? And Shahra Karakoram or Shahra Resham. Shahra Resham, it is also written in as Silk Road. It is also as Karakoram Highway. They all are having same. They all belong to the same country, and they all belong to the same mountain, that is Karakoram Highway, and which connects China and Pakistan. Means this range connects China and Pakistan. When we move further towards the west part, means from north to west, when we move further, another range is there, that is called Hindu Kush. Which range? Hindu Kush. From north, from east to north we are having Himalaya range. In the north we are having Karakoram range. In northwest we are having Hindu Kush range, and it is found in Afghanistan too. Mean most of the mountains of this range are in Afghanistan, and the highest peak of this range is called Tej Meer. हाईएस्ट रेंज ऑफ दिस माउंटेन रेंज इज कॉल्ड तेज मीर. पाकिस्तान में ये बहुत कम है. बाकी सारी माउंटेन रेंजेस इसकी कहाँ है, मतलब माउंटेन्स कहाँ है इसकी? अफगानिस्तान में. एंड द हाइट ऑफ तेज मीर इज 7,690 meters. Highest mountain peak is Mount Godman Austen, that is 8,611 meters. Second is Tej Meer, 7,690 meter. Next mountain range which is found, which is also called Northern Mountain Range, is called Swat and Chitral Range. These are in the south of Hindu Kush range. Means these are in the south of Hindu Kush. If you are standing here, above is north, below is south. So these are found here, and here we are having Lowari Pass. Pass is a way which connects two areas to after cutting the mountains. पास जो होता है वो दर्रा जिसे बोलते हैं, टू माउंटेन्स को काट के रास्ता बना के जो रास्ता बनाया जाता है उसे कहते हैं. Here we are having लवारी पास, जो हमें किसके साथ मिलाता है? चित्राल को पिशावर के साथ मिलाता है. पिशावर के साथ, चित्राल को पिशावर के साथ मिलाता है. और उसके अलावा जिसके अंदर स्वात रिवर भी है, यहाँ पे इसके अंदर स्वात रिवर के अलावा पंचकोरा रिवर भी है और चित्राल रिवर भी है. ये फिजिकल फीचर्स का जो मैप है, ये चूँकि बहुत बड़े एरिया को शो कर रहा होता है, सो इट इज़ इतना बड़ा क्लियर नहीं होता. तो इसमें आप बिल्कुल जो हिंदू कुश के साउथ में आपको यहाँ पे ये मिलेंगे, जो आपको किसके साथ मिलाता है? जो चित्राल को पिशावर के साथ मिलाता है. किसको? चित्राल को पिशावर के साथ. यहाँ पे हमारा कंप्लीट हो गया है नॉर्दर्न माउंटेन रेंज. उसके बाद हम सेंट्रल माउंटेन रेंज पे आएंगे.